Hi, I'm Ginny from Needlepoint.com. Today, I want to teach you about pepper pot silk. Pepper pot silk is a wonderfully versatile thread to work with. It's a great thread for both beginner and advanced stitchers. This is because pepper pot silk is what's known as a single strand thread, meaning to stitch, you simply work with one thread at a time, just as it comes off the skein. The easiest way to open up a skein of pepper pot is to begin by sliding the black label that's wrapped around the thread off the skein. Set this aside, but don't throw it away. Next, find the knotted tail of the thread and snip it off the skein. Your skein will now untwist to reveal a small loop of continuous thread. Examine the thread again. You will find that there is a section of the thread that is tied together where your knot was. Separate the tied section from the loose strands, and the thread will unloop again to reveal a much longer continuous loop of thread. Cut the skein at the tied end and then at the opposite end of the skein. This will leave you with pre-cut strands that are the perfect length to stitch with. Next, slide your tag back on the skein so that you always know what color and dye lot you're stitching with. When you're not stitching with pepper pot, you can tie a loose knot in the skein to keep your threads neat and prevent your label from falling off. Pepper pot silk can be used on 18 count canvas, as well as 13 count canvas if you stitch with looser tension. For more tips and tricks like these, visit our website, Needlepoint.com.